Welcome to Financial Independence Inc., where we help you take control of your finances and build the life you deserve. Today, we're diving into 5 proven side hustles that you can start today to earn an extra $1,000 a month, or even more. Whether you're looking for flexibility, remote options, or something you can do alongside your 9 to 5, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, freelance writing. Companies and blogs are always on the hunt for talented writers. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and ProBlogger can connect you with paying clients. Depending on your skill level, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. Focus on niches like tech, finance, or marketing to stand out. Tip: create a professional profile and showcase writing samples to land your first gig faster. Next on the list, become a virtual assistant. Businesses need help managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling administrative tasks. Sites like Belay and Fancy Hands are great for finding clients. Rates typically range from $15 to $35 per hour. If you're organized and love multitasking, this could be the perfect hustle for you. Third, selling products online. If you're creative, consider opening an Etsy shop for handmade goods or selling digital products like planners and templates. Startup costs are minimal, and with consistent marketing, you can easily reach your $1,000 goal. Pro tip: promote your shop on social media to attract customers. Number 4, online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in subjects like math, science, or even a language, platforms like VIPKid, Cambly, and TutorMe are great options. You can earn $20 or more per hour, all from the comfort of your home. Start by creating a profile highlighting your expertise and teaching style. Last but not least, reselling items. Flip thrift store finds, clearance items, or secondhand goods on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Many resellers turn this side hustle into a full-time income. Focus on categories like electronics, fashion, or vintage items for higher profits. There you have it, 5 realistic and profitable side hustles to help you boost your income starting today. Remember, consistency is key. Try one that aligns with your skills and interests and stick with it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to achieve financial independence.